So during the quarantine, guys, I've been getting real bored and my mind's been running, racing on what I can do. You know, I had a lot of projects on this bike that I wanted to do, and one thing was the decal. So I figured, why not go ahead and get it done? So today I'm going to show you guys how I installed the bar and shelled emblem on my 2020 Road Glide. Let's jump into it. Alright guys, so I got the tank badges removed off both sides. It's the same procedure as what I use to take off my reflectors. Link above so you can see how I remove my reflectors. Use the same dental floss, the same glue gun, same WD-40, and the same patience, because that is exactly what you're gonna need to get these badges off. And honestly, the badges only took me a few minutes to get off. I didn't record it. Forgot my camera wasn't even recording. So this is the hardest part, just getting that adhesive off in the glue, because it's on there, y'all. It ain't going nowhere. So I grew my nails out a little bit. That way, I can kind of just scrape at it and get it off and not damage the paint, because you do not want to damage your paint, trying to scratch off this actual adhesive. So I just took my time, saturated it in glue gun and WD-40 to, break it up. And, after some time, it'll give way. You just got to be persistent. So make sure you have a cold one when you're tackling this job. So right now I'm just spraying a little bit of glue gun on the towel and the glue. That way I can kind of just have it sit there for a minute. That way it can kind of absorb into the glue and break it up a little bit. It's getting a little tough to work with, just like the other side. So I'm just gonna hold it there for a second and just let it penetrate that glue and wipe it back and forth. As you can see, look what's coming off. So kind of just hold it on there and just rub a dub. It's coming off, guys. It's a slow process. But hey, we in quarantine, so we got time, you know what I'm saying? Things you do when you're in quarantine that you normally wouldn't do. Like I would spend this much time, but hey, better than paying somebody buku amount of money to do the same thing I can do. Yeah.
2,000 years later.
All right, got my little bucket of soap and water. I'm not trying to give the bike a bath. I just want to get, any of that residue off, man. Any of that WD-40 or that goo gone off, man. That way I know I got a nice surface to adhere to. and I won't have any of those chemicals interacting with the glue from the vinyl. So I'm gonna just wipe it down real quick. And we'll grab our dry off towel. You don't want to scratch your paint with old rags. Definitely want to use new rags when you're cleaning your tank. And then I'll do one more check. This will let you know if there's any glue on there. I think I see one little piece. That's just my OCD-ness getting the best of me, but yeah. So now, grab my alcohol. And I'm gonna just put a little dab on the corner of this and rub where I will be applying the decal. So this whole area here will have potential spot for the decal. Now I just need to do my measurements for the other side, tape it off, and I'll be able to apply it. All right, y'all, so I got my decal pretty much where I want it to be. Got it centered. Got me a little flat so I can just, you know, peel the adhesive off and just slide it on down. So, and I got my sophisticated decal applier or Sam's Club card, one of the two. I got that so I can just smooth it on down. So first thing I'm gonna do is wet this surface. And then we're gonna peel this off. Let's make sure that the decal is on here. Sometimes you gotta make sure it's actually stuck to the backing paper. Make sure you guys order some extra vinyl, a couple pieces or a couple extra decals just in case you mess up on one. You don't have to wait, you know, a week or so for the extra piece to come in the mail. So, just like that. And then we're gonna make sure this is not. Pull it down. Make sure we're centered inside my little makeshift mask. I decided to do a wet application. I tried doing a dry application and it's tough. So now I think I want it. It's gonna be right there. Main thing is I'm doing just making sure it's center. Boom. Right there, y'all. Whoa, mosquito. Got it. So once you feel like you have it centered, then you can go ahead and take your squeegee. And I like to work from the middle out. From the middle out. You don't want any bubbles. And then up. And then down. And down. Squeezing out all the water bubbles. Whoa, as you can see, it still likes to move. So what I'm gonna do is let that dry a little bit. Make sure all the bubbles are out. the main thing is just taking it slow. When you put the water on there like I did, you will have to use your heat gun just to get some of that water to soak up. But it makes it a lot easier to get it to adhere or to line it up how you want and to not have bubbles. So peel this off. It's not all the way dry yet, but that's fine. Get it into the place we want it to be at. Boom. Boom. So I'm just gonna go over it with my finger, push out any water that's in there. Boom. Take my rag. I'm not gonna wipe back and forth. I'm just gonna do a patting motion. That way I don't peel up any corners because I know that it's not 100%, dry. So I'm just patting it just to soak up some of this water that's around it. I still see a little piece of glue. Fix that with a little bit of dab of Goo Gone. Any glue that you see residue, just dab it on your rag and wipe it off. So, hope this video helped you guys out. I showed you guys how I went from having this up there to this. So, hey man, if this video helped you out or gave you the confidence to go ahead and tackle it yourself like I did, go ahead and do that. Oh, real quick, let me show you guys why I went with the orange. That seat, the orange CVO seat. So, hey guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Y'all take it easy out there. I'll catch y'all in the next video. As always, stay safe.